Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an advanced GTD dashboard in Notion in just a few simple steps. Click New Page in the sidebar to create a blank page. A fresh, untitled page opens in your workspace with a blinking cursor ready in the title field. Click into the title field and type GTD Dashboard at the top of the page. The title appears as you type and saves automatically. In the body of the page, type /data to bring up the / command menu. A filtered list of database options appears below your cursor, showing both inline and full-page database blocks. Click Database-Full Page from the filtered results, and a new database appears with a configuration panel that closes automatically. Click the database title field and type GTD Dashboard again to name your database. The title updates to match and identifies your database in the sidebar. Click the +Add Property button to open the property menu. Then click Text from the list. The menu shows several property types including text, number, select, multi-select, date, person, files, checkbox, URL, email, phone, formula, relation, rollup, created time, created by, last edited time, and last edited by. A text column appears. Click the text property header to open its settings panel. The panel appears on the right side with options to rename the property, change its type, or delete it. Type tasks into the property name field to rename the column. The column header updates immediately to display the new name. Click +Add Property again, then click Text to add another text property. A second text column appears in your database table to the right of tasks. Click the new text property header to open its settings. The same property settings panel appears on the right. Type status into the property name field to rename this second column. The header updates to status in the table view. Click Rollup in the property menu, and the status column updates to that property type. The column reconfigures to show rollup-specific settings that let you aggregate data from related databases. Click into the first cell under Tasks and type Test as your first task's entry. The text appears in the cell as you type. Click into the status cell next to it to complete your first tasks row. To add status options like Inbox, Next Action, Waiting on and Done, click the status property header again and use the options panel to create each one. You can convert your database to a board view by clicking the +New View button at the top and selecting Board, then Group by Status to see your tasks organized by stage. If you need to rename the database later, just click the title at the top left of the database view. That's how to build a GTD dashboard in Notion. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.